back to my channel. Guess what? Boxy Charm Day. Super excited. Have you guys seen? You've probably seen, because the month is almost half over. But I actually was really, really good this month, and I did not cheat at all till I got the box. I did know the palette that was coming. There was just no way to avoid that. When you're on social media, it's just all over the place. But I didn't know about any of the other products that were going to be in here. So I have slit the box open because it's usually a nightmare for me to do that, and I'd rather just get it over with. But I'm going to go ahead and open this box now and see what's inside. So here is the pamphlet that we get every month. And, oh my goodness, these lashes from House of Lashes. These are really pretty. Can you guys see those? My light blending them out. Those are gorgeous. It says that this box is highly recyclable. Good to know. Our lashes are designed to enhance the natural beauty of your eyes. Subtle for all eye shapes. They're ideal for regular wear or special occasions. Handcrafted to perfection using 100% sterilized human hair. I swear to God the train hasn't gone by all day long. It's going by right now. I swear. Ultra lightweight, easy to apply, and reusable. So definitely excited about those. And those are, I don't know if I said it or not, House of Lashes, and they retail for $9 to $12, which isn't bad at all. That's pretty comparable. I think Dodo lashes, which are the ones that I use often, are $5 to $12, so not that far off. So this is, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Adesi, New York, organic infused age-defying nail treatment essentials, which is perfect because I have to do my nails. I have no nail polish on. And it's just a cuticle oil. Let's see what it says about it in here. It says, treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. And this sells for $18. $18 for a cuticle oil. I don't know about that. It smells really good though. I'm definitely going to try that out because I'm going to paint my nails as soon as I'm done with this video. This is a box that says Bang Beauty on it, and I have no idea what's in here. Oh, this is a gel eyeliner. It's a brown gel eyeliner. Oh my goodness, that's exciting. I do not have a brown gel eyeliner, and that is awesome. I am super, super pumped about that. I like to wear browns. I wear browns a lot to work. I have a brown liquid eyeliner, but I don't have a brown gel eyeliner, and I quite like gel eyeliner. This is the Smashbox Bee Legendary Lipstick in the color Straight Up. I do have a Smashbox Legendary Lipstick, so I know that this formula is fantastic. It's a really pretty color. I like that a lot. It's really, their lipsticks are very buttery, very creamy, hydrating. I like that color a lot, actually. And let's see what else. I feel like there's a lot in this in this box. Usually I only get 5 items. I have 4 in front of me and I'm not done yet. So, oh, Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Oh, wait, let's see what the Smashbox retails for. $21 to $24. These say, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. I always mess up this word. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearances of wrinkles, while aloe, leaf extracts, and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. And there is actually 3 of these. I took 2 out. So I got 6 masks, 3 applications. Unless you have 1 eye, then you have 6 applications. And then this is the palette, which is the Laura Lee Party Animal. And this is what it looks like. I am super excited about these colors. They are so freaking bright and so vibrant, and I cannot wait to put these on my face. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to do a look with these later, and I'm going to use the lashes and everything. And this palette retails for $19, which is not bad. I mean, it is only 6 colors, but the pans are pretty big. I think they're a little bit bigger than your average pan. It's pretty deep, and they're super vibrant. Like those, let's swatch one. How about that? How about we swatch one? I don't know which one I want to swatch. Let's swatch this. This pink is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a shimmer. Can you guys see like the shine on it? So let's go in with that one, and we will swatch that. That is really pretty. Really pretty. It's not very creamy. It's a little bit powdery. I am spoiled with my Morphe shadows because those are like butter. They're so amazing. But this is a really pretty palette, and it has a mirror, which I love. So kudos to you, Laura Lee, for putting a mirror on your cute little palette. So that was this month's BoxyCharm. I'm not going to use any of these products right now because I'm going to do another video with them. But I just wanted to quickly unbox these with you guys and show you what I got. And if you haven't already, go ahead and just tap that little subscribe button down at the bottom, a little notification button next to it. And if you want to get to know me better, you can follow me on all my social media. I'm super active on Facebook, Instagram. I just downloaded Snapchat. I haven't really figured out how to use it yet, but I'll get there. And that's it. That's it for this month's BoxyCharm. I'm so happy that it came before I'm leaving for Canada tomorrow. I'm going away for a week. And I'm really happy that this came before I was leaving for Canada. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah, that's it. So that's the end of this video. I am going to go and clean off my eye makeup, and I'm going to do another video using this palette. So I will see you guys soon. Thanks for joining me. I love you guys. Bye.